Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF document on Canva. So head over to Canva and sign into your account. So the first thing we're going to do is upload our PDF file. So on the Home tab, click on Upload. Click on Upload Files. For this tutorial, I'm using my credit card ACH authorization form. Once you click on it, it will direct you inside the editor. If you already have a photo of your handwritten signature, you can just click on Upload on the left side panel and upload files. To clean it up, use the background remover right here, so your signature looks clean and transparent. If your photo wasn't taken on a white paper or the background is messy, the background remover will help fix that instantly. However, if you don't have Canva Pro and can't use the built-in background remover, just go to remove.bg. Here, you can upload an image and it will automatically remove the background of the image. This works on any browser and it's free. Additionally, if you don't want to take a photo of your signature, you can create a digital one instead. Just go to Google and type in e-signature. You can choose any free tool that you want. For example, go to signable.com. Here, it has the option to draw a signature or type your signature. Now, if you already have your signature with a transparent background, drag your signature to the signature field. Make sure to resize it, position it where it should go, and you're done. That's how you can sign any PDF document inside of Canva. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.